Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex for the final week of October 2019. There's been a development regarding Grebo, the one-eyed cat. His owner, who lives about a mile away, is away on business, and a friend has been charged with looking after the cat. The cat's name is Ferdinand and is of a unique breed called a Bengal. Bred in the 60s as part of a research programme into cat-related diseases, which apparently the researchers discovered wild cats, lions and tigers were immune to certain diseases that cats get. So they bred some wild cats with some domestic ones, and the result was the Bengal. Bengal cats are boisterous, energetic and very playful, and they also want to be the boss. So to take care of them properly, they do need someone that can handle them. His carer was visiting daily to feed him, but on one occasion, Ferdinand got out and disappeared. The carer heard about a stray cat on the allotment, visited the site, called his name, the cat appeared, he popped him in a travel box and took him home, leaving his contact number with the plot holder, who informed me what had happened over the phone. So that's the end of that. Or is it? After clearing the potato pots, I started to weed and prepare the bed, which was not going as easy as expected. Before placing the pots on the bed in spring, the bed was covered with a layer of horse manure, left to rot down till autumn, which is fine. Problem being, bindweed under the pots travelled and grew to the gaps between the pots. I could not remove them by the Charles Downing method by pushing the fork down alongside the plant and pulling out the offending weed with a long trailing root, and if I attempted it, which I did, it broke off near the top, which caused it to bush out. Lesson learnt. Next time I will cover the manure with black fabric and place the pots on top of that. And what's this? A garden fork? This is supposed to be no dig. I have come across a bindweed mothership running in the path under the raised bed edge timber, sending its alien offspring into my bed. It has to come out. I'm pleased with the number of worms I'm encountering, a good indication of the soil's condition. Completed bed. Now let's take a look around and see the progress made for the end of October 2019. Let's stop on bed 3 and select a couple of leeks for today's dinner. Thursday, 31st of October 2019, a date that will probably be written into British history books, Brexit Day. The day we were supposed to leave the EU, to which we did not due to Parliament being a zombie government. Not my words, but the words of the Lord Chancellor. And to breathe life back into the lawmaking process, a general election and the date selected, the 12th of December, which will clash with our village's production of Cinderella. What a pantomime! No, not putting on of Cinderella, but the dissolving of Parliament. It's what Dad would call a fango-dango cock-up. Therefore, for today, and only for today, the background music will be a fango-dango-tango. Back to serious mode. The task for today, again, before the rain arrives, is to glaze the side light. Also, frosts have been occurring in parts of the country, so it's time I resealed the poly. On Tuesday, you saw I had left the potatoes I lifted to dry in the poly. On Friday, it rained all day, but it did ease off at lunchtime. We required potatoes for the oncoming week. Therefore, they were given a second wash, dried, and taken home. Rain is again forecast for tomorrow, but I shall be watching the World Rugby Cup final in the morning. So please do like, share and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. Thanks very much for watching, take care and bye!